Today is 1.6, use the break apart strategy to add. Our central question today is how can you use the break apart strategy to add 3-digit numbers? Our first problem of the day is going to be a review. It is Antonio rounds a number to 320. Which of the following could be Antonio's number? So what we're going to do is we're going to look at each individual answer and see which ones we can rule out. First, I'm going to look at A, 302. Can it be rounded to 320? Well, if I round to the nearest 10, it would be 300 because I would be circling the 0, underlining the 2, and that would be 300. And if I was rounding to the nearest 100, it would be 300 as well. So it can't be letter A. Next, I'm going to look at B. If I round 314 to the nearest 10, I would be circling the 1, underlining the 4, and that would be rounded to 310. I also can't round to the nearest 100 because that would be rounded to 300 because I'd be circling the 3, underlining the 1, that's less than 5, so it would be 300. Let's look at the letter C. If I rounded this to the nearest 10, I would be circling the 1, underlining the 7, so that would be rounded up to 320. So that could be an option. So we'll keep letter C, but we need to look through every single answer before we decide on which one is the best possible one. Let's look at D, 325. If I circled the 2 and underlined the 5, it would be rounded up because 5 and above where you round up, so the 2 would turn into a 3, so the answer would be 330. So my answer is C, 317. Today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be breaking apart numbers according to place value, like this one, 326 plus 214. So if I were to break this up into expanded form, 326 would turn into 300 plus 20 plus 6. Next, I'm going to do 214. So 214, so there's 200 here, plus 10, because there's a 1 in the tens place, plus 4. Now I'm going to add. 6 plus 4 equals 10, so I'll put a 0 here and carry this over and put a 10 here. 10 plus 20 is 30, plus 10 more is 40. I carry down the addition sign just for place value. And then 300 plus 200 equals 500. So when I were to add all of this up, I would get 540. So you take the front numbers. So it would be 540. And that is how you add using expanded form, breaking them apart. Let's try this one. So I have 235, so that would equal 200 plus 30 plus 5. I'm just going according to place value. The next one is 241, so I would do 200 plus 40 plus 1. So when I add all these together, I'm going to add them by place value. So 5 plus 1 is 6. 30 plus 40 is 70. Bring down the addition sign. And 200 plus 200 is 400. So when I add all of them together, I would get 476 because I take the front numbers just like this. 4, 7, 6 to equal 476. Your takeaway problem is going to be 467 plus 208. You will need to turn this in at the end of this video. You may either pause it or just let the video end and finish your work. This concludes lesson 1.6.